Right, we've got a really grey day in August. Low tide. Just looking round. A great view of the former pier. It's obviously been rebuilt on. You see all these posts that appear now to do very little. Looks to me as though that was a former pier and have rebuilt it over the years. And Jordy Callum talked about when they were quiet they went and did some repair work on the pier. You can see evidence of that where they've put in supports or joints and added bits. There's a bit there in the corner where they've bolted two pieces onto the outside. There's evidence of that all the way along. So it is interesting how dark it is though. Everything's black with the mud. Okay.